Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Dr. Morpen BP02 automatic blood pressure monitor. You can see from the cover art that this is a digital blood pressure monitor. This device is designed to measure blood pressure and even irregular heartbeat. Also, it can store up to 60 readings. Now let's see what's inside. Right at the top we have the user manual. The BP02 is a medical device, so you are advised to read this manual carefully before using. Next, we have the monitor itself. It's very compact but has quite a large display monitor on top. There is a hatch at the back. This is where the batteries go. There are 4 AAA batteries inside the box. Next, we have the cuff. It has Velcro on one side and also has a metal frame to adjust the length of the cuff and make sure that it fits around the arm of the user. And this is a rubber tube that connects the cuff to the monitor. You will see a port on the side of the monitor. You attach the tube like this. And that's all you find inside the box. Thanks for watching.